Okay, hi Sarah. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi Sarah, what's up? My name is Rishabh. Welcome to the channel, my viewers.
Hi,
Sarah, hi, yeah.
Hi.
Hi from our side. Okay. Hello from. Just sorry, I'm very bad with the joke. So I want to clarify. I want your suggestion on how to get a guy laid. How to get a guy laid on first date. Any advice?
Any advice?
Anything?
How to get a guy late on the first date?
Yeah. Some of the moves, some of the impressions. So anything, any advice you guys wanna,
So Devika gets laid a lot.
Yeah, don't get
Yes.
late.
So she's the first person you should ask.
Yes.
If you want to sleep with someone, ask them nicely.
Hey, I want to sleep. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Just
get
like that.
consent. Talk.
Oh, so do we need to sign NOCs as well?
No.
Non-objection certificate. So hey, no, it's fine. It's good to go.
No, but you don't need to agree on some common ground. Be like, hey, we're doing this.
Like as a guy, as a male. So what we do, we build up a lot of strategies. Okay, well, fine. I have to walk straight. I have to look in the eyes. So none of that.
They should just keep it cool, maybe.
Stay cool.
Yeah, like there are so many sites today, like Tinder and all that. Don't know that
Oh.
maybe because that's basically for hooking up.
Okay.
If he has a really good personality, I don't mind if he's sitting in his undie or a full suited up shit. It doesn't matter.
It's more of a personality, how you
Personality, that's
approach,
the-
how you
yeah,
talk, how
exactly.
you handle her
How
basically.
you handle the girl.
Yes, that's actually very important. And some of the points on sexual appeal for guys.
I think smile.
Smile, okay, and eye contact.
Eye contact. That's obvious. Eyes is the first thing I notice. Because obviously, if I introduce myself, I look into your eyes. So eyes are.
I don't think there's like a recipe for that. I feel like it's a pretty kind of organic.
In the
situation.
moment thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So not really, no steps, nothing, no advice.
I mean, don't be a dick.
Don't be a dick. Yeah, be a very gentle, good guy.
Be someone like that. I guess a girl wants to spend time with.
Okay. Cool. Fair enough.
I don't know, but then that could just like lead to friendship. I don't know. Sorry, like.
Yeah, you like friend zone at the end of the moment. Okay, fine. साला मैंने किसकी वीडियो देख ली है तो कुछ नहीं हुआ तो I'm friend zoned.
Get to know them, say hi, start a conversation, then proceed. Don't just randomly go and like, can I sleep with you? That's
Exactly.
too weird.
So
Yeah.
I was going on that track. That's very rude.
They could ask her, can I buy you a drink? That's like the cliche thing that guys generally do. Like,
Okay, drug her to the bed.
yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's what you can say. And I think that's the trick they use. Like, if they buy you a drink, you need to hook up with them. So, yeah,
Okay. So first go beside her, then go inside her.
if you say so, yeah.
Alright, that's very useful trick.
Yeah.
Ah, that's
Even
great.
if you're not good looking, I think the personality really.
I think nowadays it's more of how people carry themselves,
That's
right?
what- that's what.
But rather than how they look.
Right.
Like looks are deceiving.
Right. Yeah.
So that's
Looks are
what-
deceptive.
Deceptive. That's what. Okay.
And like I know people who are good looking but don't know how to talk. So
Oh.
that just kills it.
He should make a proper eye contact.
Icon. Since I did 5-4 interviews, everybody said eye contact, I guess. So yeah, you look into the eyes and you say, let's get laid.
Eyes are the one that attracts the most,
Okay. Well, yeah, that's one good thing. So
expressions,
expressions as in.
smiling, or the way he looks at her. Some boys are so rude.
Yeah, should be very.
Expressions are so rude. Exactly.
Should be very comforting.
No, like I guess eye contact, good personality, all of that. But then that doesn't lead to like someone wanting to sleep with you immediately. There has to be chemistry, right?
Okay.
I mean, so if you can kind of find someone that you have chemistry with, probably a good first step.
So do not follow steps. Don't be a jerk. If it's in the moment, it's in the moment. Or just go home, masturbate and sleep.
Yeah, pretty much actually.
Pretty much, actually. Yeah.
That's my advice. I'm so sorry. This has been the most
No,
unhelpful.
not really. It's not actually very honest, right? So they would actually follow it. So it's.
Hopefully, yeah.
Well, yeah. Thank you so much, Sardar. Again, Rishabh here. I really appreciate your help and handshake as well.
yeah. Sorry, I wasn't.
Cringe max.
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry.
Yeah.